All right. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to a new session. I hope you had a wonderful day. Carlos. So what I have for today, as I said yesterday, today we're going to focus on measure words. Okay, we're going to focus on measure words. We're going to study vocabulary related to this in order to count uncountable nouns. Okay, so we're going to take a look at containers, right? And all the stuff, right? In order to count uncountable nouns. So to begin with, I'm going to show you a video.
Good evening.
Can you see my screen? Yes? Okay. Let me share the computer sound. Okay, here we go.
Hello again, everyone. This video is about counting uncountable nouns, and we're going to use measure words to do it. So, how can we count uncountable nouns? As I said, we use measure words to count them. And I'm going to talk about some of the most common uncountable nouns, mostly food, and how we count them in this video. Let's begin with a very common uncountable noun, bread. Now, let's say you have some bread and you want to tell someone exactly how much you have. We know that bread is uncountable, but we can count a slice, meaning one slice of bread, or...
Okay, look at this. A slice of bread. And look at the picture, right? So you have slices of bread. Bread is not countable in English. However, we count it in Spanish, right? So you can say a slice of bread.
Slices of bread, maybe 2 slices or 3 slices. Or we can say a piece of bread or 2 pieces of bread. You see, when we...
2 pieces, a slice or pieces. These are pieces of bread.
We use that structure of how can we count on how much you have? We know that bread is uncountable, but we can count a slice, meaning one slice of bread, or slices of bread, maybe 2 slices or 3 slices. Or we can say a piece of bread or 2 pieces of bread. You see, when we use that structure of a piece of bread, it's always of the uncountable noun, all right? Or it's the whole bread we call a loaf of bread. Or
if it is the whole bread, you say a loaf of bread. Can you please repeat? A loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread.
I love
I love bread.
This is the singular form, and this is the plural form. A loaves of bread.
Loaves.
Okay, a loaf of bread or loaves of bread. When you have the whole piece, right? The whole bread.
loaves of bread. That's the plural of loaf. All right, so just remember that structure, and pretty much all of these uncountable nouns, when we use these measure words, they use of and then the uncountable noun, whatever it happens to be. If it happens to be a slice, a piece, a loaf, it's always of the uncountable noun. All right, and let's look at some more. If we want to count any kind of meat or fish in general, for example, beef, pork, chicken, again, or fish.
What's your favorite one, Argelia? Beef, pork, or chicken, or fish?
Pork.
Me too. I love pork.
Chicharrones.
Yes, delicious. Yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. Right, I love pork. I don't like fish. I eat fish, but it's not my favorite meat.
Can count it by saying a piece.
Excuse me?
No, I said that like tuna. You say tuna.
Tuna. Tuna.
Yeah.
Tuna. I hate that. I don't like tuna. Oh, because of the smell. I don't like it. It's like it's too strong. Okay, so a piece of meat, guys, look at the picture. A piece of meat.
Piece of meat. You can say a piece of pork or whatever. A slice of meat or a hunk of meat.
When you have the whole piece, it's called hunk, right? A hunk of meat, right? It's what you get from the supermarket, right? A hunk of meat. So repeat after me, a piece of meat.
A piece of meat.
A slice of meat.
A slice
of meat.
A hunk of meat.
A
Hunk
hunk.
of meat.
Hunk, right?
Hunk.
Right, hunk. Make sure you pronounce this word properly. Focus on the ending sound, hunk. Because otherwise, it might sound like hung, like, right? Which is different. So a hunk of meat.
All right, again, you can use all of these. You can substitute meat for whatever one you want. Fish, a piece of pork, a piece of chicken, okay? A slice of meat, all of those. Because the measure word piece is countable. So we can say pieces of meat, or we can use another one, slice, a slice of meat, or slices of meat, if we want to count them, if you want to count more than one. And then we could even use hunk, a hunk of meat or hunks of meat. Got it? We can also use the countable noun slice for things like cheese. We can count a slice of cheese, that's one slice, or slices of cheese, it's more than one slice. Or with cheese, the word that's used a lot is chunk, a chunk of cheese, or chunks of cheese.
Okay, when you have the whole piece, right, the whole cheese, you say a chunk of cheese, a slice of cheese. Okay, repeat, a slice of cheese.
Slice
A slice of cheese.
A chunk of cheese.
A chunk of cheese.
Okay.
How about butter? Can we count butter? Well, we can count a slice of butter is one slice, or slices, more than one slice, or the whole, what we call a stick of butter.
The whole butter is called, what is it called?
A stick.
A stick of, yeah, a stick of butter. Do you like butter?
Yes.
Not Carlos, you don't like butter?
Yes, I like
Not really.
On bread with some cream? No. Toasted bread? No.
No.
Yes.
Really? I do.
Or sticks of butter. We can count sticks, maybe 3, 4 sticks. We also use the measure word or measure words slice and piece for fruit. We say a slice of fruit or
Fruit, the word fruit itself is not countable. Fruit is general. Okay? So a slice of fruit,
slices of fruit or a piece of fruit or pieces of fruit. And for
do you eat a lot of fruit? Guys, do you eat a lot of fruit?
Yes, in my case, I do. I try to eat fruit every morning.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I hardly ever eat fruit, hardly ever. How about you, Carlos Avelar?
Yes, I do. I eat fruit every day at
What's your
breakfast
favorite
or
one?
sorry,
What's your favorite one?
apples and jicama.
Okay, with lemon, right?
Yeah.
fruit. And for other uncountable nouns or food or whatever we're trying to count and it's an uncountable noun, we use containers. Why do we use containers? Well, we can count containers. So a very common container is a bowl. So let's begin by
This is a bowl, a big one actually. Okay, a bowl. Look at this cat. Right.
using bowl and see what we can.
Sorry, Carlos Garcia, what did you say?
No. That's a joke. A bowl of
Okay.
cats.
Thinking it loud.
count with a bowl. 4 very common uncountable food nouns are rice, soup, cereal, and pasta.
Rice, soup, right? Not soap. Soap is something else, right? It's hygiene product, right? Cereal, pasta. Okay. Do you like pasta, Alicia?
Sometimes, but it's very. I don't. Sometimes I like. I eat, but I don't like it.
You don't like, oh, so the same happens to you, right? What happens
Yeah.
to me related to fish. Okay? I mean, I eat it, but I don't like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And all of these can be counted by using a bowl. We say a bowl of rice or soup or cereal or pasta, or we can say bowls. We can count the bowls, right? Bowls of rice, bowls of soup, bowls of cereal, or bowls of pasta. Another popular container is a jar. And
Yes, a jar.
usually we put sticky stuff in the jar. Maybe not always, but it's usually in there. For example, jelly, a jar of jelly, or jam, a jar of jam, a jar of peanut butter, or a jar of honey. And then to make it plural or to count those, we can say jars of jelly or jars of jam or jars of peanut butter or jars of honey.
Okay, Noe, do you like peanut butter?
Love it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. You like sweets?
Uh, not all the products, but in the case of peanut butter, it's all delicious for me.
Okay.
Another common container is a box. And very common ones are a box of cereal or let's say a box of pasta. And then you have more than one box, there are boxes. Boxes of cereal and boxes of pasta. Bags are also very popular for counting things, such as flour, a bag of flour, a bag of rice, or sugar. Right? One bag.
Flour. Okay, flour. Repeat flour.
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 Rice.
Rice.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay.
Sugar.
Now say the measure word. A bag of flour.
A bag of
A
flour.
bag of
Bag.
flour.
Bag of.
A
Bag
Is,
of
flour.
flour.
The
some
pronunciation.
Lincoln song.
Yes,
Right.
exactly. And remember that the pronunciation of this word, of the preposition, this one is of.
Oh,
Yes, of.
oh.
When you have OFF, that's off. Put your microphone on mute. Your microphone mute. Okay. So repeat of.
Of.
Of. A
Of.
bag of flour.
A bag of flour.
Okay.
Above,
A bag of. A bag
bag
of
of-
flour.
above,
Bag.
¿Y el de aquí?
Right, let's continue. Put your microphone on mute. Don't forget.
Or again, bag is countable. So we can say bags of flour, bags of rice, or bags of sugar. We also use cartons or a carton to count things, such as juice, a carton of juice, or a carton of milk, or a carton of ice cream. And if we have more,
Do you like milk? Do you drink milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Okay.
In my case,
Like the beverage or with cereal?
For me, both of them.
Both.
Both.
Okay. All right. I fed up of drinking milk because I used to drink milk a lot when I was a child. Actually, I used to cry if I didn't have a glass of milk every single night. So now I don't drink anymore. I never drink milk.
more than one carton, we can say cartons, right? Cartons of juice, cartons of milk, and cartons of ice cream. A bottle is also very, very common. You'll see bottles of everything, right? In the store or wherever, and it's a place where we keep liquid. So very common is a bottle of beer, a bottle of
Guys, do you
soda.
like beers? Do you drink beers from time to time?
Every now and then.
Okay, every now and then. How about you, Veronica? Do you drink beers?
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay, from time to time. How many? How many beers do you drink?
Just one maybe per week or 2 weeks.
Okay, all right.
Mhm. One or two.
6.
One or two.
One or
6.
two.
No, one or two bottles.
a bottle of wine, or a bottle of water. And if we have more than one, we can say bottles of beer, bottles of soda, bottles of wine, and bottles of water. And another common container is a glass, and we use it a lot for liquids. We say a glass of beer, a glass of juice, a glass of wine, a glass of water, which is very common. All right?
Glass of beer, juice, wine, water. Carlos Mauricio, what do you feel
Hello.
like drinking now? A glass of beer, a glass of juice, a glass of wine, or a glass of water?
Maybe a glass of juice.
Come
Ah,
on.
I don't believe you, man.
Pinocho.
Yeah.
Or we can count the glasses. Glasses of beer, glasses of juice, glasses of wine, or glasses of water. Another popular container that we use is a tube. And we use it to count things such as toothpaste, a tube of toothpaste, a tube of glue, or we even use it for a tube of lipstick. They come in tubes, right? So we say tubes, tubes of toothpaste, tubes of glue, or tubes of lipstick. A can is a very popular container, and we use it for such things as a can of tuna, a can of beer, a can of soda, a can of meat, any kind of meat, or fish. And if there's more than one can, we say cans of tuna, cans of beer, cans of soda, or cans of meat. Another very popular measure word is bar, and we use bars to count things like chocolate. We can say a bar of
Be
chocolate.
careful with this pronunciation. You only have 2 syllables right here. Chocolate. Chocolate. Repeat, chocolate.
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 Chocolate. Chocolate. Only 2 syllables. Chocolate.
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 Say it again, Veronica.
Chocolate.
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 Okay, there you go. Marta, say chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay. Carlos Ayala.
Chocolate.
Okay. Noé.
Chocolate. Teacher?
Alicia.
Chocolate.
Do you hear me, guys? Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
No.
we hear you.
Yes.
Okay. Alicia, say chocolate.
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 Chocolate, or a bar of soap, or a bar of gold.
Soft, right? Hygiene product.
And if there's more than one, we say bars. Bars of chocolate, bars of soap, or bars of gold, if you're lucky. Okay, that's all for this video. And here's a summary. You can pause the video and take a look at everything that we just did. And in my next video, I'm going to give you a little test. So study this. And remember.
Okay. So now I'm going to test your knowledge. We're going to practice this vocabulary. Okay, measure words and containers. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is going to be your first evaluation.
Yes.
No, I'm just kidding, right? I'm just kidding. It's not going to be evaluated. I just want to test your knowledge. Okay, here we go.
Hello, everyone. This is the Measure Words test. All right, if you haven't watched my last video yet on measure words, I think you should do it. But if not, you can try to do this test without it. All you have to do is fill in the blank with the correct measure word. I added one extra that's not in my video. I wanted to see if you could get it on your own. So, are you ready to try? Okay, here we go. Number 1.
Okay, Veronica.
There are bars of gold.
These are bars of gold. Okay, let's see.
And the answer is, these are bars of gold. That's right, gold is counted with bars. Okay, number 2.
Everett.
These are bowls of soup.
Okay. See.
And the answer is, these are bowls of soup. We have 2 bowls of soup here. All right, number 3.
Carlos Garcia, continue.
This is a can? No,
A gallon. What?
there is a, I don't remember,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
can? No. There is a, I don't remember. It's not the bottle, it's not the can.
What
No.
is it?
There is
What's
a
the material
Don't
of that?
remember?
can.
It's a square. What's the material?
A carton.
Yeah.
A carton, yes. A carton, yes.
It can also say a box, right?
And the answer is, this is a carton of milk. We can count cartons of milk. Okay. Number 4.
Okay, Martha, try please. Martha?
Sorry. It's a stick. This is a stick of butter.
Okay, let's check it out.
And the answer is, this is a stick of butter. We count butter, we use sticks. Okay? All right, number 5.
Wait. Noe? What's the container here?
So these are,
What is it?
guys. These are jars of honey.
Jars of honey. Check it out.
And the answer is, these are jars of honey. Okay, we can use jars to count honey. All right, number 6.
Okay, Christian, you're next.
These are bags of rice.
And the answer is, these are bags of rice. All right, number 7.
Argelia.
This is a tube of toothpaste.
Okay, this is a tube of toothpaste. Toothpaste.
And the answer is, this is a tube of toothpaste. We use
Repeat, tube. Tube. Yes. Tube.
Tube.
Tube. Not tube, but tube. Tube.
Two.
Tube.
Tube. Yes.
Tube.
Tube.
We can count toothpaste with tubes. Number 8.
Carlos, Aleman?
This is a bowl of cereal.
Okay, let's check it out.
And the answer is, this is a bowl of cereal. All right. Number 9.
Okay, Alicia, this is not on the list. Let's see if you can get it. This is a new one.
There are.
Try.
I don't know.
You don't know? No idea? I think we have a comment right here.
There are.
Roll. Noé says roll.
There are roll or the toilet paper.
Let's check it out.
And the answer is, these are rolls of toilet paper.
Great job, Noé. Okay, these are rolls of toilet paper. Okay, this is not on the list, right? But you can take some notes right there.
We count toilet paper by the roll, okay? All right, now, number 10.
Okay, Nancy.
This is a bar of soap.
A bar of soap, okay? This is the first time I see your face, Nancy. Is
Nice.
this your first class?
Yes, this is my first
Okay,
question.
all right. So nice to meet you, Nancy. My name is Jaime. Okay, all right. Mhm.
And the answer is, this is a bar of soap. Okay, we count soap with bars. All right, number 11.
Carlos Avelar. Tricky one, because you have 3 possible choices. But remember,
These are pieces of bread.
pieces of bread. Let's see.
And the answer is, these are loaves of bread.
Okay. You have the whole bread right there. So when you have the whole bread, you say loaf. If it is singular, if it is plural, how do you say it?
Loves.
Loaves.
Loaves of bread. Yes.
Loaves is the plural form of loaf, which means just one. So we use loaves because there's more than one here. Okay? Number 12.
Okay, Carlos Ayala. Number 12.
These are slices of cheese.
Okay, let's check it out. A slice or slices?
Slices.
Okay.
And the answer is, these are slices of cheese. Okay, number 13.
Okay, Veronica. An easy one for you.
These are, I don't remember. These are
It's very easy.
cups of soda. I
cup?
don't remember.
Final answer, cup?
Yes, because I don't remember the
Okay, all
You
right.
can do it
can.
better.
These are can of soda. Cans of soda.
Mhm.
And the answer is, these are cans of soda. All right. Now, number 14.
Carlos Garcia.
These are bottle of sparkling wine.
Sparkling wine. Bottles. You said bottles.
Sparkling.
Yeah. Yes.
And the answer is, these are bottles of sparkling wine. All right. Number 15.
Everett. Everett?
Yes, sir. Let me think. These are boxes of chocolate.
Okay, let's check it out.
And the answer is, these are boxes of chocolate.
Do you like it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
The dark ones.
Oh, okay. Have you ever tried the ones with liquor?
Delicious with tequila.
Those are the only ones I like.
You're mute, Everett.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I like that ones with tequila or mint.
Yeah, with vodka, whiskey, right?
Number 16.
Okay, Alicia.
This is a tube of body lotion.
And the answer is, this is a tube of body lotion. All right. Number 17.
Okay. Argelia?
Yes.
Go ahead, please. Argelia?
This is of
What is it?
a jar.
A jar of what?
Do you hear me?
Yes, I do.
A jar of peanut butter. No, I think it's a jar.
And the answer is, this is a jar of peanut butter. Now, peanut butter comes in a plastic jar and a glass jar. So, it's just a jar. So we can count jars. All right, number 18.
Noé.
These are cans of tuna.
Can.
Tuna.
Of tuna.
Cans.
Okay.
Yes.
And the answer is, these are cans of tuna. All right. Number 19.
Nancy.
This is a box of cookies.
Okay. A box of cookies.
And the answer is, this is a box of cookies. Good things come in boxes, right? And now for the final, number 20.
Okay. Carlos Aleman.
These are slices of jam, of ham.
Ham.
Yeah.
And the answer is, These are slices of ham. All right, that's all for this video. And here is a summary for you. You can pause the video. Just remember, keep that structure where we have the measure word, plus, of, plus the uncountable noun, and you can't go wrong here. Okay? So, again.
Okay. So, any questions so far about this vocabulary? No questions?
A question for me.
Okay. Remember that when you pluralize the uncountable noun, you need to pluralize the container or the measured word, but not the noun itself, okay? So now we're going to work on Schoology. Can you please go with me, guys, on Schoology? Go with me to Schoology. Click on week number 1 and then click on extra practice. Let me know when you're in. I can't open the page.
No, I think it's some problem with the platform.
Yes,
I
I
can't,
can't
do.
open
you
it.
can't
The
access.
website is down, I think.
Yes, right?
I
Ooh,
don't know, but
okay.
I am not at the platform.
You are in?
Yes,
You are in?
yes, I'm in the extra practice and all the links.
Okay, all right. Can you please share the link right here on the Zoom chat? Is okay, you click on extra practice and then you click on the third link.
Measure word test.
What's the third one?
Measure word test.
Okay, and the next one?
Nouns and quantifiers.
Okay, that one. Okay, share it, please, share it. I can
Okay.
access to the website.
I don't know if I am
Can you please share?
able
Carlos, why don't
to.
you share? Carlos, why don't you share your screen?
Yeah, I don't know if I am able to share because I don't see the. Okay, share screen.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, you can.
Okay, let me know if you can see.
Okay. Can you please click on the name, nouns and quantifiers? Click on the name to make it bigger. Yeah. Okay, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Okay, Carlos, can you please help me read the instructions?
Say number 1, write C if the noun is countable or U if the noun is uncountable.
Okay. The second.
The second says fill in the gaps with the appropriate quantifier. Thing
Okay.
of, jar of, kill of, bar of, lot of, slide of, can of, kill of, kilo of.
Yeah. The third instruction.
The third is fills in the gaps with some or any. The fourth. Fills in the gap with much, many, or a lot of.
Okay.
The 5 fills in the gap with a few or a little. The 6th fields in filling with how much or how many, and just that.
Okay, that's all. So, did you share the link?
This?
Okay, yeah, share the link.
Okay, where's the chat?
Through WhatsApp, if you are
Through
able,
WhatsApp.
please.
Okay, or through
Okay.
WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to create a small break room so you can discuss with your partners. Yeah. And then we are going to go back to the main session, all right? After some minutes. Join the room, please. Join the room.
Andas la mochila puesta.
Okay, did you finish? How much you get, guys? How much you get?
We
10 of
finished.
10.
10 out of
Oh no, we didn't finish.
finish.
We got 8.
Can you access to Schoology? No. Is it still blocked? Can you access to Schoology, guys?
I can access.
I can access.
Yeah.
I can. Okay, let's see. Carlos, can you please share your screen, Carlos Garcia?
Okay.
Okay. Can I see the worksheet?
Which?
The one you worked? The one you just worked?
No, Veronica works on that page.
Veronica.
Yes, on the extra, right?
Uh-huh. Yes.
Yeah, Veronica has.
Yes, I can share my screen.
Okay. Okay, all right. So guys, let's focus on number 6. What do you have? Did you get it correct? Did you get it correct?
Go to the number 6, Veronica.
No, the second exercise, number 6.
Okay. Exercise number 1, right?
No, the second one.
Okay.
Number 6. Did you get it correct?
Is a tin of tuna.
A tin of tuna. What's tin?
It's like a can.
Okay, it's like a can. All right. What about number 7?
It's a bar of butter.
A bar of butter. And what about number 8?
A kilo of meat.
Kilo of meat. Yes. All right. Scroll down. Scroll down, Veronica. Okay. What about this one? Alice. Okay. We haven't got any. Charles, would you like? Did you get it correct? Did you get it correct, guys?
No.
Actually, you are offering, right? And when you offer, you use some in questions. So this answer is correct. But maybe the worksheet has a different one.
Would you like any help?
You like some help because you're offering something. Is any?
The exercise has only two options, any or
Mhm.
some.
Yes. So,
And
but you're offering something. You're offering help. So when you offer and when you request, you use some. So you better say, would you like some help? Okay, can you scroll down, please? Continue. And what about this one? Yes, I know. He has one. A lot of.
A
lot
lot of
A lot of medals in various competitions. A lot of.
a lot of
Okay. Do we need any biscuits? Yes, there are. Yes, there aren't.
many.
Scroll up, please. Veronica, scroll up. Scroll up, scroll up. So, much, many, or a lot of. Scroll down. Do we need any biscuit? Yes, there aren't. There aren't any, only 4 or 5. Okay, yes, look at the complement. So you have some left. So in this case, there aren't many left, only 4 or 5. So many. Scroll down. So what about number 5? Argelia, number 5.
So always add much vinegar to her salad.
Much
Or
vinegar.
a few or liters. The two options, right?
Yes.
A lot of.
A few
a
or
little. A little.
Few or a liter?
No, a few.
No,
Why
but
a
it's
few?
incorrect.
Why?
A
With
few
vinegar?
vinegar.
Is vinegar connable or unconnable?
Unconnable.
Unconnable.
Okay. So there's a problem with this worksheet, guys. In number 5, a number, I don't remember the previous number. When you're offering in the question, okay? So because vinegar is not connable. So, and we use little for unconnable noun. So this is correct. All right, scroll down. Oh, you have the part correct. Okay. Remember that when you use measure words or containers, you please put your microphone on mute. Okay, when you use measure words or containers, more than one answer might be possible. Okay, so but it all depends on what you have. But these worksheets have their own answers. Also, they have wrong answers. Okay, can you please remove your screen? Okay, any questions so far? No questions? Okay, let's go over the attendance. Oops, but I'm not able, right? Since I don't have access to Schoology. Nope, I can't. I still have the same problem. Okay, well, guys, so I'll check the attendance later. Okay, on the report that Zoom displays. Okay, so don't worry. So if you don't have any question, guys, so this is it for today's lesson. We're gonna continue tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
All
Okay,
right.
thank you.
Okay.
Good
Have a
night,
good
Night,
night.
everybody.
You have a
Thank
good
you.
Take
night.
care.
Sweet dreams.
Bye.